You gotta wait for the camera person to say it's okay.
Go ahead.
Ready, set, go! Whoa! Gordon won that time. Let's do it again. Whoosh, huh?
Red one.
Oh no, you wrecked Gordon.
Oh no, red one.
Poor Gordon. Let's do it again.
Red one.
Huh?
Red one. Red one.
Red one?
Murdoch won.
Murdoch won?
After he wrecked Gordon.
Well, after you wrecked my train, yeah. Let's do it. Let's try again. Murdoch won. Okay, put Murdoch up and he can win another one maybe. Okay?
Okay.
Wait a minute. You get over on your own track. There. Wait a minute. Whoa! Start here. You got to let go of it right here. Ready? Set.
Yeah.
Go! Zoom! And there's Murdoch! Coming. Oh my goodness, they're off in the field now. Murdoch won again?
Yeah.
No! How could he win again? You getting any work done up there with this? Okay, go ahead. Put Murdoch up there again. I want to see Murdoch.
Up to the top. Reset.
I want to get Murdoch up there.
Okay, put Murdoch up there.
On your mark, get set, go! He bashed it through center.
Where's Gordon?
He's off
In the lake.
He's over in the meadow here.
Oh, you gotta get a little more weight.
Alright, now listen, you have to be careful not to jiggle the track around too much, because it's pretty delicate.
So gentle hands with the track, buddy.
Okay.
Gentle hands. Got it?
So, nice straight line. We'll bring Murdoch up here.
Murdoch won.
Murdoch won. Okay, Murdoch won. Alright, here we go. This is a test run for Gordon. Whoa! Jump the track there.
It's woolly.
You a wreck. That was a wreck.
He falls off the track.
Let's try. Can we try one more run next to each other? Take Murdoch up to the top and he'll race Gordon.
Let's have a race one more time.
One more race and then Mommy's going to stop taping. My arm is getting...
Okay. Oops,
You have to wait.
over.
You have to wait
Gently,
till...
gently,
Connor,
gently.
Connor, count down. Grumpa's going to go.
1, 2, 3,
Not too
4,
high, not too
5,
high.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go!
Oh, I jumped the track. Look out. It's coming. Murdoch won.
Gordon, whoosh.
Oh, okay. You're